In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable code settings sync on GitHub through your code spaces settings. This feature is incredibly useful as it helps you keep your development environment consistent across different machines by syncing your settings seamlessly. Let's dive right into it. First, let's head over to the GitHub dashboard. This is your central hub on GitHub where you can access your repositories, see your activity, and manage your settings. Now, to access the settings, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. It might show your avatar or your initials, depending on your personal setup. Once you've located your profile icon, go ahead and click on it. This action opens a drop-down menu. From this menu, find and select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can make adjustments to your preferences and manage your environment. Now that we're on the settings page, you'll notice a sidebar on the left with various options. What we want to do is ensure we're focusing on code spaces, so if you don't see it already selected, go ahead and click on Code Spaces. This section is specifically designed for configuring how your code spaces operate, providing you with numerous options to tailor your experience. Now, as you navigate through the code spaces settings, you'll want to look for something called Setting Sync. This feature is all about keeping your configuration in harmony across different platforms and devices. Once you've located Setting Sync, you'll notice a checkbox next to an option labeled Enable. To activate Code Settings Sync, simply click that checkbox. With this action, you're enabling the ability to sync your settings across any code space you work on, making sure that the environment remains consistent no matter where you log in from. This consistency is a huge time saver and helps eliminate any friction that might arise from switching between different setups. And there you have it. By enabling Code Settings Sync in your code spaces settings on GitHub, you've taken a significant step towards streamlining your workflow, ensuring that you have a consistent and efficient development experience across all your devices. It's a straightforward process that makes a big difference in productivity and ease of use. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this walkthrough helps enhance your coding experience.